Hi, my name's Lacy. I got into Pysanky back in 2003. I was attending a liberal arts college in Washington State, and they had an optional Pysanky workshop, and I attended on a Saturday just to check it out and see what it was. I'd never heard of it, and I ended up getting really into it. So pretty much everything I do, I'm self-learned, self-taught. I've learned a lot through trial and error, and I'm going to be sharing lots of that with you in my video series. I always love to hear what you have to say. Please feel free to leave a comment, ask any questions in the comment section. If you're interested in seeing a specific type of design being done, or if you have ideas for new designs, please let me know. And please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much. Happy egg decorating.